Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
This is an advanced unboxing and first look at the upcoming Vivo X300, which is set to launch globally very soon. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The moment I got my hands on the Vivo X300, I felt like I had finally found the answer I'd been searching for. So let's kick things off with a proper unboxing. Inside the box, along with the phone itself, you'll find a matching protective case, plus the charging adapter and cable neatly tucked in. Everything feels carefully arranged, giving you that premium first impression right out of the box. Now, holding the Vivo X300 for the very first time, I was instantly drawn to its feel. As your fingers glide across the back, it's almost like brushing against soft fur. Smooth, delicate, and comforting, like a gentle autumn breeze. This is thanks to Vivo's brand new velvet glass technology, which wraps the phone in a mysterious matte finish. The texture has this quiet elegance, almost like moonlight reflecting on a calm lake. And it's practical too, resistant to fingerprints, so every touch feels as fresh as the first. The camera design stands out as well, using a suspended water drop style aperture. The cold carved glass seamlessly blends into the back panel, creating a flawless, silky transition that feels incredibly satisfying to the touch. Visually, it's stunning. Holding the device feels like cradling a glowing cloud in your palm. Vivo has stayed true to its philosophy of natural aesthetics, crafting a design that's both compact and comfortable. The phone is just 7.95mm thin and weighs only 190 grams, making it light and easy to handle with one hand. The rounded corners of the middle frame make it rest naturally in your palm, like holding on to an old friend. On the front, you get a 6.31-inch flat display with large, rounded corners that balance the design beautifully. And the ultra-narrow 1.05mm bezels? Absolute genius. They give the screen an elegant, modern look that elevates the entire front design. The size and shape feel almost custom-made for your hand, fitting perfectly into the natural curve of your palm. Overall, the Vivo X300 is not just good-looking, it's a device that's been thoughtfully designed to make every moment of using it enjoyable. That's it for this unboxing and first impressions. I'll be uploading a full, detailed review of the Vivo X300 on October 13th, right after the official launch of the series. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.